are picking up these carries, and you look, they are falling down in this. We reverse the umbrella. All these are washing in fresh boiling water. Hello friends, you have seen we have collected all this. Is a huge harvest of raw mango, and now I will show you how to cut it and have a look at it properly. Okay. Take smaller pieces. Big piece, this achar does not look good, and it got wasted also. So you have pickle that is good to eat, easy to eat. Now look at it. You can get it in market also cut, but because of this lockdown you cannot go out, and you must have this keri katta. Yesterday I also make some pickle. I got my hand injured, so now like this is. So be careful, take care. Everything you cut in even size in your recipe, it looks good. It gives a tasting but stimulus before eating it. We will cut it and then we will come to you. You have this piece of gotli, so remove this from this. You have to remove all these pieces of gotli. You have cut it almost all the things. Let me wash my hand. Washing of hand is very necessary before going further. Now I focus this much amount of raw cut mango. The surface area of pickle has been increased because of small pieces, so this juices and all this oil and masalas, they absorb well by pickle. Use this pushp masala. I tell you, don't need to make this homemade masalas. Pushpachar masala is very good, though they don't pay me for it, their advertisement, but it is okay. This is the best and easy, and no need to fizzle for making homemade masala. This is ready. This raw mango, cut raw mango ready. We will mix masala in it. Like that. Another half kg. This is almost I think about 3 and 3.5 kg of this raw mango cut pieces, and I am adding it. Already I have added half kg masala, and again I am adding this half kg, this full 1 kg. Okay, and I made a little bit 200 grams also from jar. I have old masala. Now mix it like this. I show you. You will tell me that we cannot see. There are many calls. You mix it like this. I told you, use your hands, not gloves. Wash your hand and use it. If you use your hand, the taste of recipe will be double. Mix it properly. Well, it looks to me I can add little more. So I added about 100 gram. So total masala I put around 1.30 kg. In 3.5 kg of this raw mango, I put around 1.30, 1.40 kg of this masala. Okay, my mother was teacher for B.Ed training program and certain other programs. When I was around 10 year old. So I lived with that time with my grandmother, and I was helper to her for making all this pickle, papad, moong ki badi, and this murabba, jellies, jam, like that. I am using these recipes from my old memory. She is my grandma. I lived with her for so many years. I have so many memories of her. Now we allow to rest it and marinate it for some time. This look at this. This is properly marinated. Now we are ready to put it in ceramic jars. Okay. So let us see how we prepare these ceramic jars for filling up of this cow dung cake. You can see here. It is heated on this gas burner, almost red. Now carefully I will put it here, so you can have a good look. Now I will put some almost little asafoetida here. Now this is the jar I put like this. I put little and like that. Little this. Put it here. You are watching. Okay, you look at that how pretty smoke is inside this one, and in both glass jars, and these are both ceramic jars. This keeping quality of this pickle is more. So we have this organic oil. We have put this kadai. This is pure wood press oil, mustard oil. Always use mustard oil for this making pickle. Now I am putting it around 2 liters of mustard oil. We need 2.5 liters maybe. So I am pouring it. I have an idea how much I should take. I need little more. Okay, I think now we allow it to heat. One by one. We fill this jar. This smoke is coming out of it. Now this is proper. This is properly marinated. Now we are putting it in it one by one. You have seen how we disinfected and this jar and sterilized this jar by asafoetida fumes. So your pickle won't get spoiled. Sometime I am missing English word. My son is advising me. He speak either in Hindi or English. Some of my friends are America, so they are also watching it. Fill this pickle jar about this. Leave little bit area open. Okay. This is another one. Look how this smoke is coming out. We are filling it. Our oil is getting hot by the time. This much is sufficient. You marinate it for only 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Fumes of this oil is very hot, so it is getting very difficult to fill it. We will fill it like this. Hot oil. It is not lukewarm, but it is little bit hot, but also not boiling also. This much is oil is okay for this. Look at this. It's hot. Just check it like this. You know. Put tightly, secure. Just check it bit. Now look, yesterday we made this pickle. Look at it, how this oil has come up and all this masala has been settled down, and this raw mango also has been settled down. You look at it from side, look how nice it is looking, red. Similarly this also, you look at this jar, it is also very nice. All the oil has come up, looking very nice, red and very good. So I guarantee it will not get spoiled up to 2-3 years. You can keep it, but of course eat it. Instead of going for this achari curry, you can make it by this raw mango. Once you tested this raw mango pickle, then you will never go for this achari curry and all these things. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching. Like this we have filled all the 4 jars. वैसे मेरी समझ से इतनी ज़्यादा देर इनको मैरिनेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी,
तो नहीं छोड़ दिया,
हाँ
बंद कर रखे ना वीडियो।
चालू है लेकिन अपन कट कर देंगे। You can watch.
You can watch. Okay, okay.
तो बोलते हैं असली थे। Now you pour it like this.